Hello everyone, today we're going to be cooking some amazing pineapple rice. So I'm sure you already have some of these spices, and all we're gonna need from left to right is some smoked paprika, caldo de camarón, shrimp bouillon, which is the little square packages. You're just gonna put one in this recipe, turmeric, garlic salt, and don't forget the ground oregano. You're going to also need 1 pound of pineapple, 2 handfuls of the whole cashews. I like to get them with 50% salt because I'm going to put a lot of spices and salty things inside, so don't want it too salty. Then at Trader Joe's, they have the peeled, deveined, and tail off cooked shrimp, which is awesome because you get to skip that step. Fresh ones are better, but this will do. If you're not that great at making rice, Trader Joe's also has these bags of jasmine rice. You're going to need 2 of them for this recipe. You're also going to need about 1 inch of onion and also some chopped garlic. I like to get it already chopped up in the oil. Okay, to start off, you're going to oil your pan. Get a scoop of garlic and also chop your onions very, very, very tiny. And put your walnuts in, your 2 handful of walnuts. Once you see 1 walnut turn brown, go ahead and add your shrimp. Now you're going to get 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 thin layer of paprika, so a tablespoon also, but like super thin layer, don't make it a mountain. Next, get your cube of bouillon, the shrimp little square, and crush it up. Make sure to get all the little big chunks that accidentally fell in there and spread it throughout the pan. Get your ground oregano and do a light little circle around the pan. Next, get your Lawry's garlic salt, do 1 lap around the pan. Next, get your pineapple, keep the juice that comes in the container. Then add your preheated rice and mix it all up. Then voila, you got your pineapple rice.